All right, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you see this particular video. All right, so this is Winners Tech, and I'm going to teach you how to scan and remove virus from your computer. Okay, even if you don't have antivirus on your computer, you will be able to scan and remove virus from your computer. All right, so all that you need to do is to press Windows button plus R. So I'm going to press Windows plus R. Okay, all right, so when you press Windows plus R, this particular thing will pop up. Okay, all right, so as you can see is here, this thing will pop up. Then you are going to type MRT. I repeat, MRT. People call it Mr. T. All right, so you are simply going to type Mr. T here, MRT. Okay, so after putting it, then you are going to press OK, or you click on OK. So we are going to wait while it loads. So now, this particular drop down menu will come. You see this pop up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? All right, so you are coming to yes. Okay, so welcome to the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So this is a tool that will automatically remove your viruses from your computer. Okay, so we are going to next. So we have a quick scan here, then we have a full scan, then we have the customized scan. So depending on the particular one you want the tool to do for you. So for instance, I want a quick scan, so I'm coming to next. So you can see it is going to scan and remove all malicious viruses in my computer. Okay, so you can see as it is scanning, you see the file scan here. It has scanned about 600 and something, now 700 plus. Then the files infected, so far none of my files have been infected. Okay, so please you can do this to scan your computer to remove all the viruses. Please, it doesn't matter whether you have antivirus on your PC or you don't have antivirus on your PC. Please kindly use this particular method for the tool to remove all this malicious ware or your computer or viruses from your computer. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Winners Tech.